Did you know your Cyprus student visa can unlock a career pathway in Europe? Cyprus isn't just a study destination, it's a career launchpad. Cyprus universities offer world-class education and a vibrant student life, setting you up for professional success. Earn internationally recognized degrees in fields like business, IT, medicine, and engineering at renowned Cypriot institutions. Experience a multicultural campus life with peers from across Europe, Asia, and Africa, building a supportive network. Cyprus grants student visa holders the right to work part-time during their studies, providing valuable local job experience. After graduation, Cyprus allows you to apply for a post-study work permit to gain professional experience right here. Recent graduates can secure paid internships or step straight into full-time roles within growing Cypriot companies. Cyprus' booming tech and IT sector actively hires international graduates with digital and engineering skills. Healthcare and medical industries seek skilled graduates for positions in clinics, hospitals, and research institutions. The tourism and hospitality sector offers roles for those with management, language, and customer service expertise. Business and finance sectors welcome international graduates for jobs in banks, consulting, and multinational companies. Successfully working in Cyprus can lead to a long-term residence permit, opening the door to greater stability. Long-term residency ensures social benefits, family reunification options, and a secure future based in the European Union. With Cyprus as your starting point, you're in a strong position to pursue career opportunities across the entire EU. Your education can be your gateway to EU work opportunities. Start your journey from student to European professional today.